Hello everyone, I'm Mawei Jiang from Nanjing Audit University. It is a great honor to participate in this challenge task presentation and introduce the open-source large language model for audit by our team. First, let me briefly explain what auditing is. Auditing refers to the independent economic supervision activity conducted by governmental agencies or a special organ in accordance with the law to conduct pre- and post-event reviews of major projects and financial revenues and expenditures of financial institutions or enterprises. With the advancement of computer technology, audit methods have progressed from traditional manual approaches to big data and intelligent audit. Intelligent audit aiming at recommending or selecting the optimal strategy for audit decision-making through the extensive integration of machine learning, deep learning, and other information technologies. Following the emergence of ChatGPT, large language models have attracted much attention from researchers. Their smooth natural dialogue and document generation capabilities enable broad applications in finance, medical, legal, and many other fields. As a powerful artificial intelligence technology, LLMs can also provide innovative solutions for auditing. Currently, there are two main challenges when applying LLMs directly in the auditing field. The first is the difficulty in understanding auditing-related questions and providing accurate responses, often referred to as the hallucination problem. The second is the need for the model to learn auditing-related knowledge and understand basic audit processes so that it can help auditors achieve high-quality results. Thus, based on the practical needs of auditing, it is necessary to train a large language model specifically for auditing. Our research primarily involves abstracting real audit scenarios and designing multiple audit tasks at different levels. Audit-FT is the first open-source large model specifically tailored for auditing. Relevant instruction datasets, evaluation benchmarks, and the model itself are available on GitHub. Compared with general-purpose LLMs, Audit-FT exhibits outstanding performance across various auditing tasks. Regarding related work, many open-source large models have emerged. By constructing instruction datasets for specific domains and fine-tuning base LLMs, various specialized models have been developed. However, there is currently no open-source large model dedicated to the audit field. To compare the performance of different large models, researchers have designed various evaluation benchmarks for LLMs, mainly involving information extraction, text classification, and text generation. These include publicly available domain-specific benchmark datasets and fine-tuned domain-specific LLMs. Currently, there is no established benchmark for evaluating LLMs in the field of audit. According to the audit service requirements, this study designs 15 different LLM tasks across 3 layers, constructs the corresponding instruction datasets, and release multidimensional evaluation results for both existing mainstream LLMs and our fine-tuned audit-specific LLM, Audit-FT. Next, I will introduce 3 application scenarios of LLMs in auditing. 1. Audit issue summary and laws recommendation. In actual auditing practice, auditors need to identify problems in the audit working papers and then use relevant laws and regulations to characterize these problems. Additionally, internal auditing and external auditing differ in their respective practices. Shown here is the audit framework we propose, in which we both summarize issues found in working papers and extract problem descriptions from laws and regulations. Based on similar problem descriptions, we then recommend relevant regulations aiming to narrow the gap between audit issues and the applicable regulations. 2. Audit relevant question and answer. This includes defining an audit concepts, understanding the specifics of a particular clause of a law, and determining the methods for investigating and verifying audit issues, among others. 3. Audit assistant. LLMs can extract specific phrases from audit documents, perform accounting-related calculations, and generate reports, among other tasks. Based on these application scenarios, we designed an abstracted taxonomy of auditing tasks for LLMs, covering sentence-level, paragraph-level, and document-level tasks. Sentence-level tasks include audit-focused named entity recognition and 2 classification tasks. Paragraph-level tasks involve conduct on auditing concepts, issues, and regulations. Document-level tasks focus on analyzing audit questions and generating documents. Following the instructions demonstrated by Pixiu, we build instruction tuning datasets for each auditing task. Here are some examples of these datasets, which include named entity recognition, relationship classification, definitions of audit entity, audit legal relevant question, and so on. We constructed nearly 30,000 training instances, 4,000 validation instances, and 5,000 test instances. The table shows the details of fine-tuning. Through preliminary exploration, We found that Qwen 7 Billions Chat provided better responses to auditing questions, so we selected Qwen 7 Billions Chat for LoRa fine-tuning on 8 of 40 GPUs. We compared our AuditWen model with 3 representative baseline models: Qwen 7 Billions Chat, GLM 36 Billions, and GPT-4. For evaluation metrics, we adopted BART score and BERT score, among others, depending on each task's characteristics. Since tokenization is part of the Rouge metric, we constructed a domain-specific dictionary for audit for better segmentation. From the results shown in the table for 9 auditing tasks, our AuditWen model outperforms the other LLMs overall, especially on paragraph-level and document-level tasks. Here is a test case on audit report generation. The request was for the LLM to write a template for the leadership debriefing report in internal audit. Compared with the reference answer, AuditWen's generated text is not perfectly standardized, due in part to the relatively small number of document-level training samples. However, it demonstrates a solid understanding of the question. By contrast, Qwen 7 Billions Chat and GPT-4 produce outputs that resemble a formal letter format. In summary, we have proposed the first open-source large language model specialized for auditing and released the fine-tuned model AuditWen and the evaluation benchmark dataset. Due to time constraints, the scale of the dataset used for fine-tuning AuditWen remains limited, which may not support larger-scale fine-tuned models. Also, due to computational and resource limitations, we have not yet released a 14 billions or 30 billions version of AuditWen. In the future, we plan to collect more raw data from real audit cases and regulations to design more detailed tasks. We are committed to training larger-scale auditing-oriented LLMs. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much.